What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to cut down on your water filter work orders. If you have a French door Whirlpool refrigerator, this will help you greatly. It's going to be 2 1/4-inch screws that we need to remove. Okay. Pop out the light. Disconnect the wire. And there's our old light. Gonna use some light bulbs purchased from Amazon. They are 3 amp, green, 5mm. Gonna pull the old bulb out. Back down. I'm gonna insert our new bulb into the light holder and then just solder it on. Short one's positive.
More floss.
It's all good. There's our new light. No more red light. No more yellow light. Let's throw her in. Hook everything back up. And then just put your screws back. There we go, green light that never goes off. All right, there's the fridge light hack. Learned this from my good friend, my coworker. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Do this at your own risk. I'll leave a link in the description on where you can buy the bulbs from. You will need a soldering kit to do this. And like I said, do this at your own risk. Even though I showed you how to do this hack, we don't really do this. It's just an idea if you want to cut down on fridge filter work orders, but we actually don't really do this because that would be wrong. Peace.